Hello and welcome new and old subscribers. If you are a visitor, subscribe now. And if this is your first time, I'm thrilled that you're here. Let's get this Dollar Tree haul started. Yes, 2 months before Christmas, and Dollar Tree has all these Christmas items. I've showed you plenty before, and now I'm showing you even more. Get ready, get set, go. We have the solar stake lights and these cute little way Santa Claus LED lights. I've showed this before. And then more stake lights. See how they are. Santa Claus, the snowman. Now we have wrapping paper. This wrapping paper is $1.25. And I'm giving you up close so you can see the different designs of the wrapping paper for this price. Look, all the different ones to choose from. That blue is gorgeous. Christmas tree. Now I'm going to show you the metallic ones. They have a gold, red, silver. The metallic, yes, so much. We have awesome gift bags. See all these different designs. You see this bag that says Sweet Holidays? It's big size. And then was it house or a church? I think this one is so cute. This is Claus Bakery, North Pole. It is so adorable. And the North Pole, Holly Jolly. You can create different items with these bags. They're not just for gift bags. The red truck, they always have the red truck. See, so many styles to choose from. And I'm including the super big bags in this one part. These are $3. I know I usually do the plus size, plus ones in the end, but since this was all together, they have the huge bags for $3. And then they have the giant gift bags. These are $1.25. Look at the different designs. I really like this one, the red, tan, and black one. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Then we have gift boxes. They have the normal ones. You see, these are the normal. This is a little different. I don't think I've seen the boxes this shape. You can even put a bottle of wine if you want to wrap it up in a certain way with some bubble wrap. And this is something a little bit different from the bags. That's just up to you. You have to be careful. But hey, it's a different idea. Then they have these nice square size boxes, gift boxes, 5 in a pack. So if you have that small gift or gift card, you can go on that side there. So I'll give you a little different take on the gift bag. And it has, I forgot what these are called, but they have the bells. You can put them on your door handle or even hang them up. These are bell-like. I guess they're more like ornament bells because there's nothing inside to make any sound. So I guess these are more like the ornaments. Cute bows. They always have the Santa like bows, the metallic, the silver, the gold. This brown one, this is the first time I've seen kind of like a brown metallic. Very pretty. It's very pretty in person. And I kind of like this one too, the silver and white kind of brush look. Beautiful in person, like I said before. Then we have the green and there's some garland just to tie it all together, right? Do we have some? We need garland, right? Tinsel garland. And to me, these are kind of like the odds and ends of Christmas decor. You can put on your head, not the nativity, novelty items. Santa's red nose. See how it lights up. So cute. And the glasses with a Christmas tree. And they have suspenders. Can you believe real suspenders? They have green and red. Can you believe it? So cute. Wow. And then, like I said, more odds and ends of Christmas decor. The chair, um, kind of the bowl. So this one is blue and white. I love the shape. It is gorgeous. And then they have a red and white one. And then the container, you put cookies in there or a gift if you're brownies. And just like I said, more odds and ends. Continue more of the odds and ends. This is a DIY 3D craft kit. And this one I think is kind of like a snowman, and it has different pieces. I just kind of want to show you the little few items. And this one is Santa Claus. And I guess you can maybe make a little scene. It didn't show a picture of what it becomes, so I guess it's totally up to you, whatever design you want to make. Now that we have all the Christmas stuff out the way, we have crafts. Of course, Crafters Square. We have silicone molds, and these are the small ones. These are not the big ones, and you can do several at one time. Look at the different shapes like leaves, moon, different shapes for you to include whatever project that you have. Next up, we have, let's see, glitter shakes. I know you've seen this before, but they brought out like a whole section of glitter so you can pick and choose which kind of glitter you want. Some come in the little packets, some come in the little containers, and different the colors: green, pinks, blues, silver, metallic, purple. So many to choose from. We have Premier yarns and these lovely colors, like a dark blue, kind of like a tannish color, goldish yellow, burgundy. So many different colors to choose from. And then, sorry, this is not by Crafter Square, but the rest are. This is kind of like a velour type material. They have red, white, and black. Those were the three colors that I seen. Could have been more, but those are only the three that I seen. So you never know. Then we have the faux fur. This is a repeat. They've had the faux fur before, and they have the gray, the lilac, the kind of white, black, light blue, kind of a darkish tan for you to enjoy. There was just so many different ones. And this one's kind of like, it was really soft. So it's not like velour, but it's just like that really soft material that some blankets are made of. And you see the different colors and designs. So these are super cute. Yes. You can sew together, make a mini pillow or something. And then we have the polymer clay beads. You know what? I think I may have shown these before, but they were in this section and I thought I would just include it. This is 110 pieces, and this is the other color selection that they had. They have the light color and the kind of like earth tones, the greens, the brown, the yellow. So you get to choose from two different color palettes. And these are the glass mosaic. Again, they have new ones. So like some of these are new colors. Some are the old colors. That is an old color. I've used that in a video. If I remember, I'll link it up at the top. And this is kind of like the black, white, and gray. This beautiful blue to you to choose from. For crafts, some are new, some are old. This is kind of like a tan. It's lighter than a craft color card, so you can make cards out of this, or your Cricut to cut things out. See, this is kind of like a pinkish color section, and that's all pink. And this, you see the colors on this one: orange, red, those colors. Like I said, and this is more colors. The color, if you want me to do a card series, making series out of using mostly Dollar Tree items, let me know. And these are pliers. They are old, but they're back again. So if you need pliers, they have 3 different types from you to choose from. Again, if you want me to do a card making series, in the beginning of the new year, let me know in the comments section down below. Now it's time for our Dollar Plus section. It may include 1, 2, or even more Dollar Plus items for you to enjoy. This is a collapsible lantern fan, LED light, 2-in-1 combination, LED light, built-in-one fan, battery operated, super bright 360 light beams for $5 at Dollar Tree. Woohoo! Yes, Dollar Tree is doing it again. And then we have this sound responsive string lights, LED lights that sync to your music. 50 warm white lights, 4 light modes, light snow, steady on, slow pulse, and blinking. And just give you a little picture of the one that says try me, and it says clap, sing, or play your music. Awesome. Right in time for Christmas. Right on time. We have a 4-foot candy cane for $5. I'm just giving you what the top part looks like. To me, it's nothing fabulous. It just looks kind of plain to me. But to each his own. And last but not least, we have the Christmas apron for $5. So if you want to save this apron for Christmas morning, awesome, or any other time. Totally up to you. Well, everyone, this is all I have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification, subscribe, share. Watch all my other videos, hauls, reviews. And like I always say, be blessed until next time and be better than yesterday.